Papa, I don't like what you're saying. I don't like it. I'll keep telling you, what you're saying is wrong.
What do you want me to do? I simply told Gloria to go back to her family. What's wrong with that?
Papa, but if you have such a woman as a daughter, will you allow her to come back? To do what?
Obi, I don't like this. What is it? Didn't your mother and I warn him not to marry that woman? That she is simply older than him, simply because she is rich and that she has helped him in life. So that is the decision behind the actions behind his decision.
Yes, Papa. Yeah? Yes. Even at that, it was Mama's pressure that led Auntie Gloria into asking Linda to take in for them. Now see what it has cost her.
Let her carry her cross. If they like, let them treat her like a vegetable toast. That is her own cup of tea.
It's not fair, Papa. It's not. It's not nice.
Get inside! I said get inside! It is not nice. When he was making calculation on how to marry a rich woman, why didn't you tell him to withdraw his step? It's not nice. Tell me whatever that is nice in this world. In Apuara, it is not nice. Come out here and disturb my brain again. Let me put the nice in your skull.
Mama, that one will not happen in this house. Mama, Meko.
Hey! Mama, what's wrong with my daughter, Naya? What's wrong with my daughter, Naya? Is it a crime that I followed my husband to the village when things went bad for us? I was only being a good wife.
It's okay.
Something that any good woman would do.
It's alright.
Stop
crying. Stop crying. Eh? Stop crying. Wipe your tears. I am with you. I am solidly behind you. And now you will go and come back here and meet me. Away from that Asanwa. I am going to deal with her. I will show her why I am called Luchenwa. By the time I am done with Asanwa, she will change from Asanwa to Asanwa. It's okay.
Mama, it is high time I joined this fight. I have to join this fight, oh.
Yes. Join the fight. Makanas nani come and on ball for. This is getting too much.
You see that, Asanwa? I will stop her nothing until I kill her. Good. She will never have my husband. It's either she dies or I die.
You will not die, oh.
You will not.
You will not die.
She will be the one to die.
We will kill her. You will not die.
You will not.
We will kill her.
Look at
Nonsense.
me. Look at me. Look at me.
Akudo. Enemy of progress.
Akudo.
Stop crying. Stop crying.
They want to kill me.
You will not die. You will not. It's okay.
But I'm stronger than them.
Yes.
So, madam, so you are done eating. You are now sitting down here doing what? Well, I came to tell you that our husband is calling you.
Linda, please. Can I talk to you?
About what? No, about what? See, our husband is calling you. You better come and answer him and also see that your stupid visitor.
It's okay. No problem. I believe one day all of us will be fine.
And that is supposed to mean what? No, what are you insinuating? Gloria? Gloria, do you know you are nothing but an ingrate? Yes. You came to me, pleaded with me to help you take in for your husband what you could not give to your husband. I gave it to him within few months. Gloria, since then, instead of you to be happy, to be thankful, you've been scheming, trying to manipulate it to make me look like the bad person. Look at me, Gloria. I think it is high time I started beating you up. Yes, you deserve serious beating to reset this your brain. What are you doing? I'm crying. You cannot blackmail me with these your fake tears. I can see through it. Yes, it's fake. Come and answer our husband.
Linda beat me? Hey! Gloria, what a shame. Carry the cross you've given to yourself. Hey! Linda beat me up. Linda. Hey! Oh.
Anna, what has that girl given to you to eat? Eh? Whatever she has given you to eat, you will vomit it now. Vomit it! Vomit it here now!
Wrap no my can now. Leave my clothes now.
Mama, don't leave him. Hold him tight. Brother, you see, anything you want in this house, we will give it to you times 10.
Okay, is that... Okay, you people have ganged up against me, eh? No, you people have ganged up against me. Mama, leave me alone. I don't want quarrel. Just leave me. Let me go.
Are you out of your mind?
Leave me. Let me go.
Are you out of your mind? Let me slap that charm out of your eyes. Let me slap it out of your eyes. Eh? What's her shaking to you? You see that as someone? Eh? Anywhere I see her in this village, there is going to be war. People will gather. What nonsense? What has this girl done to you? Is she not beautiful enough?
Mama, you slapped me. Cello, all I came on me.
I will slap you again. If you make beam now, I will slap hell out of your ears. Eh? See, that's someone. Anywhere I see her in this village,
tell Mama to leave me alone. I don't want to scatter here. Just tell Mama to kindly leave. I'm talking to you.
Anna, what wrong have I done to you? What did I do wrong to you? Did I not give you a child? Did I not give you a child? This same Asawa is the reason we don't have a child anymore. You people killed my daughter for me.
You should tell Mama to leave me alone. You're singing in Heme or in Heme. Is that what I asked you to tell her? Mama, leave me. You're giving me just strange style. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
You are just look at him.
Mama, he's going back there. He's not going anywhere. He's going back there. Banana. Hey.
What was all this? What was all this? Why would you slap me?
If you open your mouth to step him again, I will lay a curse on you. I will lay a curse on you. I will lay a curse on you. Fight me. Beat me. Beat me.
No wahala now. Can't sit back here.
Let me go back here. You are just
My dear, I am very happy now. Eh? I am so happy. If you don't know, let me see how Anna will not get married to me.
Sister, yes, so you will win Akodo, but you will not have peace of mind.
Why?
Yes, the mother will give you what?
That one. My dear, I have the money. I can take care of my son single-handedly. And even take care of my husband. Do you understand? As a matter of fact, they should just give me Anayo. I don't even mind staying here with him. They can have their house. I don't need their stupid house.
Yes, I think that's better. Paul, don't worry. You go back to your father's house, right? Don't worry.
Of course he will. I cannot... It's not possible for me to bring up this boy as a single mother. I will not. Anayo has to put a ring on this finger.
No matter what of Obodai. Eh? We go to our
community.
Ojuku. First of all, welcome. Yeah. Secondly, I am not happy with you.
What did I do? Eh? Do you know why I'm here?
Why are you here?
Ojuku, why are you here?
Okay. Okay. You don't know how I'm looking at you. Don't cross any compio. My future wife in the making.
Hey, Ojuku, just hold it there. Who is your future wife? Hey, see me, Ojuku.
Be calming down. Calm down. Stop it now. Which one is a... Is he not a handsome man?
Eh?
Is Ojuku not a fine man?
This one.
Get up from the seat. Let our visitor sit down. Get up and let him sit down.
Okay.
I beg, don't.
Hey, see, Asa, you see, for this thing you did here, I'm happy with you. And you are the real wife of Anayo. Hey, Asa, you are the real wife of Anayo. That is what I'm telling you. Why? See, you are the real son of Anayo. Every other child of Anayo is a fake child. You are the real one, and your mother is the real mother. Where is Anayo?
Ojuku, does this place look like Anayo's house?
Can you be coming down?
Sister, why is he asking stupid questions
Just
now?
shut up. Be coming down. Why is your blood too hot?
You don't know why I'm here.
Gloria, I don't like what you're telling me. What?
Lady T, that's how I say things now. But what can I do? As you can see, I'm not getting any younger. If I should leave this marriage, tell me, who will marry me?
I'm not asking you to leave. All I'm saying is stand your ground and fight her back.
Fight a pregnant woman. Do you want to Minife to kill me?
I don't know why Minife turned his back on you so fast. With all the love he showed you then.
Lady T, I'm still confused. But I've handed everything over to God. Let His will be done.
I will not let this be this. Are you sure that girl has not gone somewhere to tell me if you don't?
Lady T, how can you sound like this? Have you forgotten what led to his mother's death? Is this same child issue? So I don't think she... No. I don't think so.
But why would Minife do this to you? This is why I refuse you to marry Minife. Yes, he said, yeah, he's too young, he loves you, and you went ahead and married him. Anyway, I will speak to Linda. Yes, I won't go to sleep tonight without speaking to her.
You will speak to her? Lady T, please. No, I don't want any troubles. You should allow me to carry my cross. I don't want her troubles.
Gloria, I will try my best.
I don't want to.
Please.
Wait, are you serious?
I'm telling you.
You mean you told him that?
You don't know me very well.
Ojuku?
You don't know what I'm capable of doing. I told him, say, Anayo, Asanwa is your wife. Go and marry Asanwa. He said, okay, I'm going to do it. We have planned it. Me and him, we have planned everything. Secured it, sealed and signed. You don't know me very well.
Ojuku, for doing this particular favor for me, hey, I will give you big money. I say big money.
Hey, don't talk about money. Come off it. Ojuku, you see here, I drew my money in this village, but you will not know. Forget about money. As far as you can, okay, here. Just do what you can do for me. Press any button you can press. Ping pong, ping pong, ping pong. Tell Oge what to do. Say, okay, follow me. And Oge will follow me. Hey. That's all.
It's only Oge that you want. So Oge.
I'm telling you.
Consider it done.
Hey.
I said consider it done. As long as Oge is my younger sister, anything I tell her she will do.
I can check in it.
Sister, don't worry yourself. Ojuku, it's not as if I hate you.
I know.
I don't hate you at all. It's just that sometimes you make me so angry. You know you talk too much. But for you to do this for my sister that I love so much, Ojuku, I'm all yours.
Hey.
Whenever you want to marry me, just come and carry me.
Are you serious? Yeah. Just like that?
Yes, now.
See, I'm not in-law to this family. Where are my kinsmen? Where are the in-laws? No. Yeah.
Ojukwu.
Eh?
Once Anayo marries my sister, just come. Anything you want, you can have it with me.
Anayo, wherever you are now, wear your clothes. See, Anayo is coming. See, let me tell you, this is a small thing to me. We have arranged it. So, very soon, it will come to pass. As soon as I leave here, I'm going to the police station to buy fuel. I will pour the fuel inside Anayo's heart. Yes, I'll put fire in his mind. Say, Anayo, go. Don't rest until you marry someone.
Hey.
Before you know it, Anayo will come here, carry rain. Marriage.
Hey.
You don't know me.
Anyways, you have heard from the horse's mouth. Anytime you're ready, just come and marry Oge. You can have her all to yourself. But if only you can convince Anayo to come and marry me, you don't have any problem. Oge is yours.
Anayo is a settled matter. Your marriage is already settled. It will soon come and pass. Just watch out what I'm going to do. As for you, go to Onitsha. Go to Onitsha and buy clothes material. Show your traditional marriage clothes. As for you, count your Ashebi girls. If they reach 9, fine. If they reach 10, fine. I'm coming for my own. See me, as I'm living here, I'm going to prepare for wedding. Can't you go to wedding? If people don't know me very well. See, all these things, I've arranged it. See you, where are the in-laws, Seth? See you, see Anayo, see marriage. Can't you see? It's already going to happen. As I'm living here now, you see Anayo, enter here, tell you, say, he will come with his kinsmen, and I will follow them at the back to marry you. By that time, you will know that Ojukwu, I'm not very much. Come, Jeputa.
Ojukwu! Walk again.
Yes.
Walk away, yeah? Oh, don't walk it. See this one.
Star boy is trying. He's trying.
Ojukwu, he never sees this one.
He's trying.
I know he's trying. You listen to me. Akwanamolwa. You have to use your woman power. Set yourself well. Do you understand me? You should know how to maneuver him. Twist his mindset. Make sure he convinces Anayo to come and marry me. Do you understand me?
Sister, don't worry. I learned well from you now. Ojukwu, that one is a small thing. I will handle him. I will turn him around.
Hey! Go and get me food if I'm hungry. Linda, so you cannot talk to me anyhow. Look at this small girl of yesterday. Wait, Lady T. Am I the one you're talking to? I'm talking to your ghost. Hey, Lady T, listen, if you don't leave my presence right now, what I will do to you, your family members will not be able to recognize you. Lady it's T, a promise.
Lady T, please, let her be.
I am not going anywhere.
Please.
Linda, after all the help we rendered to you, this is how you pay her back? This?
Lady T, please, let her be.
Evil woman. Gloria, so you brought this your hoodlum, haggard friend to insult me, to rain insult at me in my own husband's house.
Hey, please, Linda.
Gloria.
Linda, she will go now. Lady T, you have to go. You just have to go, please. You have to go.
I am not going anywhere. Let that thing that want to happen now. Let Omenife come. Let me tell him how this woman made him who he is. Yes.
Hey.
You know what? I won't be here and have you rain insults on me. Listen, if you don't leave here right now, you'll see what will happen to you. Oh, I am waiting. You is your dead body. Go and come back and meet me here. Don't go. Linda, I am waiting for you. I am waiting. I don't want you to go.
You just bought it.
I said you should go in and come back.
Listen,
if you run, your father, go in and come. Don't go anywhere. Wait. How can this small girl?
You have to go. I don't want to.
I will make sure I beat that girl up after she put to bed. Hey! Yes!
That one is acceptable. Hey. After she put to bed. But for now, I want you to go.
You know me. It's because I was not around. That is why that girl is treating you anyhow. I am around. I'm not going anywhere. I will come to your house every day. Every day. I will come to us to know what is going on in this house.
You will not come this time.
Why?
I'm okay. I'm not complaining again. In fact, I'm fine. I'm fine. I don't want to have problems with my husband.
I'm not going. I am waiting for me. No.
Lady T, you have to go.
I am waiting for
this is my house. I don't want to have problems with my husband.
I am waiting for me to meet me in this house.
Oh, what kind of life is this?
Nne, you have to go to the market
Buy few things so that you can add up to the soup. Okay. Buy ogiri and vegetable. Is it or how?
Let's use bitter leaf. Let's eat something bitter.
Go now, Start going.
I will go. Let the sun come down.
Which sun?
Don't worry.
Go now.
Go so that you have something to put inside our stomach. You see this as someone matter? It will not close.
Mama, if I know Makema is what to eat, not about a someone.
Mama, sorry, because no. I perceived the bitter leaf soup inside just now. So I want to know if it's still remaining because I'm very hungry.
There is no food for you in this house.
King Solomon, there is no food for you in this house. Go to your second wife's home and ask her for food.
Are you mad? Are you out of your mind? Is it because I've been keeping quiet? So because I've been keeping quiet, you now run your mouth like tap water. Are you out of your mind?
Are you out of your mind?
You talking to me like that?
Did you slap my daughter?
No. I just contoured her face.
Please, Biko. Let me go and give him food to eat.
No way! Anaya will not eat in my house. I am your mother. Since you have decided not to obey me in this house, your sister will never obey you.
You don't want to give me food?
Woman rapper, you slapped me.
I'll slap you
Try
again.
it.
Very stupid girl. You're talking to me as if I'm your mate. Don't you know I'm your elder brother?
Ozugonu. It's okay. Let me go and give him food, Mama Biko. Anaya, why are you doing this? Why are you doing
this? No. If you talk to me again, if we are...
What will happen? What will happen? I just want to give you food. Let us not feeding you in this house. That is why I want to give you food.
Are you feeding me before?
I am feeding you.
Are you feeding me before?
I am feeding you.
Nonsense. It's okay. No, you should keep your food though. Don't give me food. Keep your bitter leaf soup. Thank God I have another branch elsewhere. I'll just go there and drop my stomach and eat to my fill. Keep your food.
Branch manager. You have seen you. Come, let me give you food.
You are not going anywhere. You are not going anywhere.
Mama.
Help! Let's go! You have killed me! No! Give me get down, Mama! Mama! Help!
You are going!
Help!
Mama, hey! I'm ready to help you.
Where is that fool? Huh? Where's that old cargo? Come here! Who gave you the right? Huh? Who gave you the right to come to my house and disturb the peace of my wife and my baby? Who gave you that right?
Do you think I'm scared of you?
Hey.
Am I your mate? Or do you think I am Gloria's sister that you talk to anyhow?
Lady T.
I can see.
Nataba.
I see gang up. I see you people are ready to fight. There is no big deal. Now listen to me. I am not married to you, nor your sister, so you have no right to come to my house and disturb our peace. Don't ever come to my house, or I will do you strong thing. I will do you something you will ever regret in your life.
Amenfi, I should remind you, you are married to my friend here.
Oh.
We made you who you are. Hey. Yes, especially she. Why are you so stupid to maltreat your wife anyhow? Just because of one small girl is pregnant for you that you don't even know when she will give birth? Yes!
Oh! Hey! You are dating my wife?
No, honey. No. Lady T, why will you say a thing like that now? Oh, honey, I'm sorry.
Who's the honey?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Who's the honey? If you call me honey again, I will choke this house inside your eyes. I will finger your eyes. Yes, I will finger it. That's very good.
I'm sorry.
No problem.
Hey, you have to go.
I see ganging up.
No.
Ganging up against me, my wife and my baby. Very good.
Let her
By
go.
the time you are done,
She's
no
going.
problem. Meet me inside.
You can't do anything.
Alright,
You are just a chaff. Yes, I will take this matter up. Don't worry. Look at what you're doing to yourself.
Hey! You come here, chef.
It's me she's talking to.
Hey!
I'm not talking to you. I will take it up.
I am the chef.
Me, chef.
Yes.
It's me. Now watch me suffer you.
On it's me, oh.
Hey!
Baby, it's
Open
me.
the gate.
Let me see how many
Open the gate.
Go. Let it be. Let it be. Honey. Honey.
Open the gate. Open the gate. Hey! Open the gate.
Pen is too much.
Mama Ndo, don't worry. You see Asanwa? She will see what she is looking for in this village. She will see what she has done to herself.
Sorry. I don't even know what is wrong with Anna. I don't know what that girl has given him to eat. Why did it to his mother? Asanwa will know notice. I am going to lay a curse on Asanwa.
Oh, Asanwa, you will know no peace until you die.
Amen and amen.
I say a very big amen.
So shall it be.
For that girl to bring trouble to this house, she will know no peace. She will know no joy. Don't you think we should rush you to the hospital? This pain is increasing, no?
You are right, oh. I think I need to see a doctor. The pain is too much. It's too much.
In that case, let me rush her and go and call Anaya because he has to come and see what he has done. Mama, let me go and call Anaya. He has to come and put hands here. Let me go and call him.
Oh, don't go there and start fighting.
Don't worry. I will not fight this time.
People.
Let me go and call him.
Ijoma, come this side, come this side, come this side. Put your hand, help me, help me.
Mama, hate to.
Leave my house, you are a witch. Leave my house. Go and pack your things and leave. Leave. I said leave. I will kill you.
Please.
I will kill you. Leave my house.
Why do you want to throw me out of my own house? Please.
I don't care. I don't care. You have beaten more than you can chew. You have pushed me to the wall. Can you imagine? You bringing in your friend, that stupid big for nothing girl. Big for nothing old cargo came to my house to fight my wife. You don't have fear for me. You must leave this house today. Go and pack your things.
Can you listen to me?
Baby, it's true that this your wife is very evil. She's very evil. It's obvious. Everyone can see it. But if you ask me, I wouldn't want you to throw her out now.
Why? Why?
So it doesn't look like we threw her out of the house she built, you know. Was that not what that her useless friend said?
Please, I'm sorry, please. You have known Lady T for years now. Please, I didn't bring her to insult you.
Listen to me. I'm sorry. The only reason I am pleading with him to let you stay is because of the house chores in this house. You have to be doing them. And while you are still here, you have to respect yourself. Else, I will keep increasing the hellfire burning you already. You know that?
That is me.
You, if I'm talking, she's telling me it's you. How do I know you?
Can you imagine? Hey! You don't have respect for me. You are not even scared of your husband. You bring. Can you imagine? She brought that Obeke girl. I can't even. Lady T also with her sister. To come and fight my own wife.
I'm sorry.
She was even telling me, I will remind you how you made money. We know you when you were drinking Gary, when you were spying, when you were. I said, can you imagine my own house?
I'm sorry. I can't bring her to insult you.
Oh, that's why
I love you. You know I love you. Please love you.
I don't love you.
Sir.
Next time you open this gate for whoever that will come and ask for Gloria,
I will skin you alive that day. Is that taken?
Yes, sir.
If you ever open this gate for anybody again that will come here to ask for her, you see, I will roast you alive. Is that taken?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good. Idiot.
What's it come in my business for this thing now, eh? Who make I want drug my air come out? Eh? But why I got to treat madam like this? This is not fair. This is not fair.
Eh? Enjoy your meal. Let me see who will walk into this compound to take this food away from you. Eat the food, enjoy. Do you want more? There is more where this one is coming from. I can go and bring the pot.
No, don't worry, my love. Let me finish this one.
Eat.
Thank you, eh? What would I have done without you in this village?
Nothing.
No, tell me now.
Enjoy, eat your food. I don't get it. Why would a woman deny her husband food?
Come on now.
Just food. Is that nice? Or is she jealous that you have a son? I don't get it.
No. I've even made it clear to them that I must marry you.
Hey.
So it's better they get used to it, because next week now, I'll pay your bride price and bring you home.
Obi!
Talk about salary.
Hey! Thank you so much. I didn't know it was that fast too. I didn't know it was going to be that fast. But Obi, I wish you can spend the night with our son today. You know he misses you.
Anyway, that's not the problem. I'm going to spend the night with you people.
You will?
But wait, are you sure it's my son that is really missing me? Oh, you're the one missing me, because I know you know that stuff.
Like you're not missing that stuff too. You're enjoying the food. I should have bring more.
Let me finish this one first.
Finish. I can't bring food. Look, the way eat for Jesus.
Ojuku is a chameleon. Ojuku is a chameleon. He is in support of everything and against everything. Ojuku is a chameleon.
Hey, Papa. I am back. Papa, what are you eating? Have you not seen that I'm eating food? How did you manage to cook? Do you know how to cook? Your sister prepared it fast for me. Since you were nowhere to be found, I can see a bottle of palm wine. Anyang.
Oh, yeah, Inche. So you finally came back?
No. I'm still sleeping there. Eh? So this is how you want to present yourself to me that you are back? Your senior brother.
Welcome, sir.
Uh-huh.
I heard you left the house since morning. You left the house since morning and you're just coming back. You beat Baba in this house. You don't bother to care if he has eaten or not. When you're busy following Anna, you're up and down.
Papa, did you buy new radio? Eh? Is he parrot on the tree talking?
Allow me to eat this food.
Or can I say that she's talking to... Are you talking to me?
No, I'm talking to myself. See, you better remove your mouth from Anayo's case and face your family case here. Do you understand?
Okay. Leave your brother alone. He is not the one causing war in Anayo's family. Are you hearing me? Don't let me slap you. Don't let me slap you.
No, come and beat me now.
Bring your cheek close to my hand now. You will receive a blessing of slap.
You hate hearing the truth. Come and beat me. Come and touch me.
I should come and beat you?
Yes.
Papa, I said remove your foot, let me jump. Remove your foot, let me cross and catch him.
You don't want to hear the truth. The truth is so annoying to your ears. You don't want to hear it. Okay. You want to slap me. No, come and slap me now. Inside. Come and touch me.
Truth?
Yes.
I'm talking to you. Oh, you are not Ahmad Jehovah. Nonsense.
Cook for me, you will not cook. Now leave me to eat the one your sister cook. You are not.
So I will not eat, Papa. Is that how you are? They say parents, remain food for your children. Or let your children eat first. Now you are the one eating. After eating, your children will be your children like me. Eh? Don't you know I'm your children?
Okay.
Yes.
You are trying to prove to me
I'm your child.
That you are sensible enough. And that is why you came home with a bottle of palm wine.
But you're not taking this palm wine, no.
I will not.
You have eaten. So bring Kiri. You see this your daughter? Ebuomi. You see this your daughter? Ebuomi. If she mess up with me, I will sell her.
Aku, let's go to bed. He won't come back.
Njoma, go to bed. I am not sleeping this night until Anayo comes back. Eh? Do you know what it will cost me for him to sleep there? No. I don't know why Anayo is behaving like this. Why is he doing this to me? Eh? You could hear Akun. Akudo. Both of you should go to bed. Let Anayo sleep wherever he is. Eh? You know where he is. There is no need for me to panic. Mama, Sigiri. No! No. He's not sleeping there. Do you want David to get pregnant for him again? Eh? No, he's not sleeping there. He has to come back. I will not allow that to. It will not happen. Here. Ijoma, let us go there and bring him back. He has to come back to the house.
Akudo, calm down. It will never happen. Not when I'm alive. Unless I die tonight. But as long as I live, yeah, Asamwa will never succeed in any of our plans.
Mama, you are not sleeping there with them. You will not be there when they will do anything they will do. Mama, don't worry. Just go inside. Ijoma, let us go and bring him back.
Mama, you worry too much. Don't worry about us. Bani me and Aku will go and drink him. Oh yes, so I nata look why only anataba.
You know what?
Akudo. Ijoma.
When you get just another woman, what do you just see? The fighting every day. I see.
Leave this matter. You see this matter? First thing tomorrow, I'm going to the city to settle it once and for all.
Brother, you better do. Because if I go there, I'm going to have serious issues with Linda. I mean, I don't like the way she's treating Auntie Gloria. I don't like it at all. Auntie Gloria's sister told me this thing in school. I said, no, let me come back here first before I act. So you better do something. You better do something.
Okay. There is nothing you can do about this. Your brother has already made up his mind. So there's nothing you can do.
Papa, leave her. Let her go there now. Let Omedife dust her. Omedife tear her pieces. Dust her. You want to go there and act. See, I told Auntie Gloria to leave that house. Go back to her family. Since she did not give my brother a child, she should give way for another person that wants to do her job for her. She refused. Now she is there, crying. But don't worry. I told her to leave. She refused. Now you see. But I'm going there tomorrow. I will settle the matter once and for all.
Your machine is so. It's Auntie Gloria her mates. Anyways, that's what you get when you make friends with all these small girls. I told Auntie Gloria then, why is Linda your friend? Why are you making this small girl your friend? She said, I like her. Now, see what is happening. Papa, are you seeing it? Just see what is happening.
Ojuku, I want you to let me know before you go to the city tomorrow morning. We must put call across to Menife. We must tread with caution.
Papa, the case is my own. I'll settle it. Do you understand? Oh, yeah. Go and dress my bed. I want to sleep.
Mrs. Ocha. We have to go to bed though.
I'm finished sleeping. Let's go sleep.
Let's go.
Obi, just before you go in, the gate is open. Help me bring the key. Let's lock it.
Oh, okay. Where is the key?
It's inside.
What is it? Okay. What is what? Go in there and bring my husband out. my dear. Go in there peacefully. Kudo wechia. Bring him out.
Are you alright?
I don't know alright.
Did you okay?
I don't know okay.
I
cannot be okay.
No, you're not alright now.
Mama, can I be okay?
You left your house by this time to come to my house.
Why won't I come?
This which husband?
So you want to keep my husband here?
No, you cannot come and disturb us.
Oh, my
we are having a lot of good time.
Anayo.
Obi, can you imagine?
By
this time of the night.
Anayo.
What are you people doing?
In my house.
I've left the house for you. Leave or
That you are a shame to the family. You came here to tie up.
You're no longer holding the wrapper. You're holding my oblongos. You naked me.
This brother to swallow you. This brother to swallow you.
Leave me.
Asan we sinidi anife ichon kukasia ya kukasiwa idi anife ichon kukasia ya kukasia asan we sinidi anife ichon kukasia ya kukasia sinidi anife ichon kukasia ya asan we sinidi anife ichon kukasia ya kukasia sinidi anife
Pound it well. It's an idiot, it's Uncle Cassia, Yakukasia. It's an idiot, it's Uncle Cassia, Yakuka. As someone we see another side of us today. Hey, for anything. Pound it well.
What is going on here?
Mama, Pepe is going on here.
Yes, so, Mama, Pepe is really going on here. Since brother decided to sleep over there last night after fighting us. Hey, as someone we see part 6 of war. War is on another level.
Good, Mama. By the time I am done with Asanwa, she will know that I'm from Abenu.
Good.
I will not spare her this time around.
That is the spirit. Ne, whatever you people want to do, you have my support.
Mama, don't worry yourself.
If you even want me to join the fight, I am ready.
Bam, 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 bam. Just go in and relax. We will tell you how it happened.
Don't worry.
Grind it.
Messi Asanwa here today. After dealing with her, she will trek to Rome and come back without seeing Christ on the cross.
Okulaka.
Mama,
make it question now.
Mama, trust me. I see a way winner. Bounty. Asanwa is in India. It's Uncle Cassia.
Idikwanikogo, yeah, Ikelajinume. Cause now so fighting go they come over your way.
So you're dressed, sister. What is it?
They've not seen anything. No. They've not seen the real war.
You're still talking about this war, my dear. Let's forget about the war, because this one I just gave them is it's just a tip. When they see the main war, they won't be able to stand me. My dear, please go inside and dress my boy for school. And besides, Anayo should be expecting his second child. Because I dealt with him last night. And stop looking at me like that. When I said I'm dressing for school, it's late. My boy, go and hurry, Dress up and go to school. Your classmates are waiting for you. Do you understand? Mommy wants to go and get water, okay? Go and dress up, Okay. Tell me bye-bye now. Bye-bye. Hurry up,
Sergeant,
somebody property. You say someone say my your own. Somebody husband. You carry him say.
But like I told you, I don't want you to call me anymore. If I want to talk to you, I will call you. Yes.
Yes. Good morning. Hey.
Can I have the car key? What for? Oh my God. Listen, I've got hospital appointment today. And this will be the last time I will have to explain myself to you again in this house. Okay? That is if you want to continue staying here. Honey, warn her.
I will not remind you that I bought that car with my money.
Honey. What has come over you? Honey, hear your wife.
Gloria, why are you being wicked? Huh?
Omenife, how am I wicked? I bought that car with my own money, my hard-earned money. Are you saying I shouldn't drive my car again? Is that what you're saying? But you can buy a new car for your new wife. Yes, you can afford it. Are you not a man?
I can see you got cars. You now have a very big goal when I'm talking. You now challenge me. Huh? No, yes, you now challenge me. You're not talking. You have wings. No, come on. Are you not ashamed of yourself? You can't even give me a chance and somebody's even trying to help you. Now you're frustrating that effort. What is wrong with you? You're becoming a witch by the day. What is wrong with you? You're busting my scaroo. Don't let me get angry more than this. What is your problem? Why frustrating her? You should be grateful to her. You should be adoring her for even helping you.
Are you saying I should trek to where I'm going to?
It's very important for you to use transport or trek. At the same time, there's another car there. You can go fix it and use it.
It's okay. No problem.
Good.
You can have it.
Where does she even know she's going to start with self? Where do you think you're going to? Listen, you got her chores to do. Go to wherever you're going to. Come back and do it because I hope you are not expecting a pregnant woman like me to do that for you. It's your job and you must do it. So come back fast.
No.
Papa, don't mind him. Don't mind what he told you. By the time I get to the city today, yes, I will deal with them in that city. They will know that Ojuku is there.
It's not to say
they will see.
It's not to say it. When you get to Lagos now, Linda gives you food. You eat and forget about why you went there.
Me?
Do something.
As
do
I can,
something. Because if I come to that city, she will not like me. You know what I'm saying? She will not like me.
Ojuku, listen.
Go down, go and relax.
Ojuku, listen. I don't want both of you to have issues. This is what I want you to do. When you get to the city, discuss with Linda cordially. If she proves stubborn, let her be and return. Come back.
Papa, Mammy, Ajum, I will not do it. Never! Papa, let me tell you. By the time I get to the city, what I'm going to do to Linda. After what I will do to Linda, her name will become Linka.
Very good.
You will see. If your son put hand, I will challenge him. Oh. If your son Omed if put hand, I will challenge him. Let him not say I have insulted him. Oh. Because what I'm going to do to Linda, Linda will know why they call me Ojuku. I'm not anyhow I'm not. Oh. My own Ojuku is different. They will see. Never.
All this is you're saying, just do it. Oh. Just do it.
You will see me in action. Papa, keep your ears on the ground. From there, you'll be hearing Linda crying. From there, you'll be here. In fact, let me go.
Ojuku, listen, just one more advice.
Papa,
you know the city is quite different from the village. You know, in the city, there are lots of security agencies over there. You may fall out with them because either your brother or Linda will call them if you start making your trouble.
Papa, I'm not afraid of security agencies. They know me in the city. Township security know me. Police, army, they know me. By the time I get there, they will see this is Ojuku. They will fear me. They will respect me. Let me go there. By the time I go, I will drag Linda from city and bring her back to this village and march her to pieces. Papa, let me go. Never!
Papa, go! Go, I trust you.
We move! Protest against Linda. Linda will see. Ojuku is coming. We move it. Never!
I will show you that I'm not your mate today. You will show me. Shameless thing.
Asanwa.
Me go sigi. Kita. Iga fu nke to edina. Hey. Ijoma. Akudo. Ngwa.
Akudo, the last time you blocked me, you know what happened to you?
Which last time?
This
is the first time I'm blocking you. This is the first time I'm blocking you.
You are a compound fool.
Compound one.
Today, you got quarter and 1 plus 1.
Ijoma, don't talk too much.
As you see me now, see me see city. The person you are seeing here is no longer me. My spirit is now in the city. My spirit has taken breakfast in the city. Afternoon food. Even I have bath in the city. What you are seeing here is empty Ojuku. Let me go back to the city. No, it's been long ago. Let me go there and see things. I see how things are going. Do you understand?
Guess what happened yesterday? I slept in Asanwa's house.
Huh?
Yeah, so.
Hey.
Guess what happened?
You don't need to tell me. Oh, I can imagine it. Hey, that is what is called fire on the mountain.
As it stands now, I cannot wait. In fact, I don't mind for her to have another child for me. Seriously.
Exactly.
The more my sister and mama are pushing me, the more I'm going to her. You don't know.
That is it. See, let me tell you. I am your advisor. Anything I tell you, do. Don't listen to anybody. I'm not afraid of anybody. Don't listen to anybody. Don't listen to cheap talks. See, do your thing and win your award. Your award is waiting for you in the life of Asanwa. Do it and collect your award.
Ojuku. So this is what you have been doing, okay? In our also, you are running there. Shame on you. Look at Ojuku that is deceiving you. Eh? You are not ashamed of yourself. I regret the day I gave birth to you. Yes, I should have given birth to you as a daughter so that I will know I don't have a son.
Mama, me.
Mama.
Ojuku. Ojuku na deceive you. No let me mind you papa.
Property. You see someone say now you're on the road. Somebody husband. You carry on saying now you're on the road. And the talk you they fight. You say now you're on property.
This akudo need to go on private. Yes, please, sorry. Sorry for his side. Sorry, don't.
When you can just another woman,
take your place. Let me go. Be fast.
Choma, get us a bottle of champagne, please.
No, I don't want champagne. Let me do Fanta. I'm cool with it. So,
are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, bring soft.
No. Don't tell me this. Your own car. A car you bought with your money. You left it for them?
What do you have me do? I should fight him?
No. I'm going to take that car.
No. Lady T, don't do that. I'm not complaining. I came to this place with public transport. Did it remove anything from my skin? Car is not my problem now, please.
Gloria, don't tell me that one day she will wake up and take your property. You will just leave everything for her because she's pregnant. Is she carrying Jesus Christ?
Lady T, I want Linda to have her baby in peace. Please, so that my husband will be happy again. I don't want anything that will affect that pregnancy.
Gloria, I have told you countless times. Leave that house. You have the house documents. Sell it off without them knowing. Yes, get a place to stay. Let them struggle to pay the rent by themselves.
I can't sell the house because I still love my husband. You know I love Omelife. He's man of the house. Yes, I built the house, but he is the man, the head. It's just that my mind is telling me that Linda is manipulating my husband. Yes, Omelife now behaves strange. Like someone they are remoting, like Linda controls my husband like a child.
Really?
Yes.
Are you sure of what you're saying?
I'm sure.
Okay, let me make it.
Hey! I
My love.
Sister.
My love. What am I hearing?
Sorry, no. Sorry, find her way now.
It's okay, sorry.
Akudo has finished me. Akudo, I need your mom. My way from the street, they called me Pepe. Pepe!
Hey, Pepe! I will kill somebody.
Lick it. Bobby, lick it. If you lick it, just lick it for me.
You know what? Let's take her to the hospital, please.
Don't worry, not ready.
Fun her.
Sorry. Let me come. No one. I'm coming, okay? I'm coming. Sorry. Hey! Madam.
Open it. Fanny.
Sorry. Listen to me. If I should advise you, I'll tell you to leave Brother Mayu alone.
We're talking about Fanny.
Akudo is only fighting for her rights. You shouldn't blame her.
Biaji, what's the meaning of this?
What's the meaning of
If you are tired of Fanny now, tell me so I can continue and you will leave this house.
Hey, I was
every day now.
Thank you.
Brother, sister, again in the Mama, Papa, again in the some public property. This is almost your own.
Mama, you didn't see her crying and screaming.
Hey! That serves her right. You know, I am so happy. That is what I have been planning to do. You people have just helped me.
Mama, we have helped you. We have helped you. No. You see Asanwa? Ya chaka waramba. Good. Asanwa chaka waramba. Mama, can you believe I went to her house last night and I saw her with my husband, dying same rapper. Hey, behaving as husband and wife. Simba. My heart was broken. I said no. I have to do something. Good. I had to do something. Mama. Good.
Okay. We have to go and see him.
Lady T, hope he's not going to be something bad.
He said, as soon as you come to see him, you will have your own child. And Linda will leave the house before the end of tomorrow.
Hey, Lady T, why? What? Why haven't you told me about this man now? How are you sure that it will still work now?
I just got to know about him last week. Yes, I was told if I'm ready to get married and have my own kids, I should just go and see him.
Just like that?
Yes. So if you're ready.
I'm ready. I will go. In fact, let's use your car.
Okay, let me get my car.
Please, I will go from here.
No problem.
Hey! Fast now.
And we did it. Good. We did it. Good.
So you have the mind to do that to Asanwa? Huh?
Yes.
You have the mind to do that to Asanwa?
Why would I do it? Yes. What will you do?
You're asking me.
What will happen?
You're asking me.
What will happen? Anayo.
Why now?
You got fire for.
I'm
not going anywhere. She's not going anywhere.
She will leave her house today. Mama!
I'm not going anywhere. She's not going anywhere. Mama, see blood, Anayo, hey, Anayo, okay, Mama, hey, Anayo, you are succeeded, Mama, hey, blood, Mama, we need to take her to the hospital, Mama, hey, take her to the hospital. Anayo, you have killed your mother. Anayo, you have killed Mama. Anayo, you have killed Mama. You
You have killed Mama now. You are. Oh, this fucking man. Oh, this is more. Now you're looking.
Let me return the car.
Someone should pray nothing happens to my mother. Because if anything happens to my mother, I will kill her and bury her in this village. Myself. Okay, make it a film. Okay, make it a film.
Stop making noise, I'm thinking. Why would you do that to her? Is she a thief?
Yes. And I know she's a thief. She is a thief because she stole you from me. But listen, if anything happens to Mama, I will personally kill her somewhere else in this village. I will kill her. But you show this. I will do not touch Nana. You are a shameless man.
Very shameless.
What is it, Anna? I expect you all to take cognizance of the fact that this place is an hospital and not a marketplace.
To talk to them, I've not been talking. Please, how is my mother?
Well, you're all standing here right now and are no longer kids. And I don't want to hide anything further from your people. Just shortly before you brought her down here, she has lost a lot of blood. I don't want to start by asking what happened. But I'm sorry to announce to you that she couldn't make it. She's dead.
What?
I'm sorry.
Who is dead? Hey!